Here's a list of plants to grow in glass bowls of water easily indoors. They can be a great addition to tabletops, shelves, or any place where you want some greenery. Lucky bamboo. This popular plant can thrive in water-filled bowls and adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. Pothos. Pothos is a versatile plant that can grow in both water and soil. Its trailing vines make it perfect for displaying in glass bowls. Philodendron. Many philodendron varieties, such as the Heartleaf Philodendron, can grow well in water-filled bowls, adding a lush green look to your space. Spider plant. Spider plants are easy to grow in water culture and produce cascading arches of foliage. Just make sure to use a large bowl to accommodate their spread. English ivy. English ivy is a vine that can grow well in water-filled containers, creating a beautiful trailing display. Peace lily. Peace lilies are known for their white blooms and can be grown in water, but they may need occasional soil planting to replenish nutrients. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen plants can adapt to water culture and thrive in glass bowls with ease. The variegated foliage will be a head-turner for sure. Arrowhead vine. This versatile vine has attractive arrow-shaped leaves and can grow in water-filled containers. It stays compact, so it can be great for small spaces. Begonia. Some begonia species, such as the Rex begonia, can be grown in water culture, showcasing their colorful patterned leaves. Coleus. Coleus plants can be propagated in water and provide vibrant foliage with a wide range of colors. Water lettuce. When grown in a glass bowl or any other container of water, water lettuce creates a beautiful and natural-looking display. Java moss. Choose a clean glass bowl or any other transparent container that allows you to see the growth of Java moss. It is a low-maintenance plant that adds natural beauty to any space. Java fern. Java fern can also be grown immersed, partially above water in a glass bowl, allowing the plant to produce small plantlets or new leaves above the waterline. Marimo moss balls. Marimo moss balls do not require any substrate. They are free-floating algae balls that can simply be placed in water without any attachment. Hornwort. Hornwort is a free-floating plant that does not require substrate. It is a versatile and hardy specimen, making it suitable for beginners and experienced aquarists alike. Brazilian pennywort. Brazilian pennywort is known for its rapid growth and can quickly spread in a glass bowl. To control, you can snip some parts of the plant regularly to remove any excess growth. Duckweed. It is one of the tiniest and fastest growing flowering plants you can grow in small or medium-sized bowls easily. Make sure it gets plenty of light for the best appearance. Frogbit. Amazon frogbit is a floating aquatic plant that resembles an oversized version of duckweed. For the best display of its light green leaves, use a wide glass bowl. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.